who can live here and work here. Most people laugh at us when they come down here. Habian na Southeast and I say, Otu Akabe had. There be all the Lamborghinis in Lagos. There be all the penthouses. Faneko. But look at how their place is. And actually, yondo chichi na Igbo biko ruo ọrụ gị ọfụma, ruo ọrụ gị ka ema ya ọkpara. All these things you can see that actually mere onwe m nke achọrọ m mere onwe m nke ọzọ. All those things bụ vanity upon vanity. At the end of this life cycle, what will your story, what will your people say about you? What will your people say about you? Some of you right now, all people have to say about you after your 8 years in office are negative things.
Yes.
How you contributed to destroy Southeast.
Yes.
So go Aboye see that referendum or nothing. Go Aboye see that we must leave Nigeria. We have been marginalized. Actually, Yogi. It is very, very angry. Channel that anger internally and see how you can contribute to better things in Igbo. Channel that anger internally to see how you can hold our elected leaders accountable in Igbo. Because most of these people, but the reason why many of our brothers Juwewe excuse how they make investment in the Southeast. Anyway, one of our brothers with very big factory in our Lagos. Mona that our brother Neku enjoy ya one name. Kiki si we biaro di ya na Lagos iro ya na Igbo sim insecurity. That ye wa man ga tie factory ya ebe obu na ndị mmadụ ada arụ ọrụ Monday. Biko nna yogi, for the sake of our father's land, please, kayi biri n'udo. Let us join our hands together and work as a people. We are a very special breed of people as in Igbo. But one thing we have to do different is that we have to come now together and say enough is enough, just like the Catalonians of Spain.